feel like that.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be making this cute little fall Halloween little like intro for Shay's season. She didn't ask for this, I just made one. I don't know, just kind of like inspired me. She did like my story though when I did post it and I tagged her, so that's awesome. But you guys, of course, I'm gonna be using Canva. Everything I use here is free. Again, let me say that one more time, you guys, free. And it's super simple. It's honestly like my favorite thing to use because like I used to make it on my phone and like I use like 4 or 5 different apps and it was just so confusing and small. I mean, you can use this on your phone, your iPad, tablet, whatever, but I do like to do it on my computer here. But you guys, I am just going to be adding in some of my screenshots. I took some screenshots and like, you know, like screen recordings of her Instagram just so I can get this video right. And so I did already upload those already, and right here I'm just adding a little like orange tint to this screen recording. I did blow it up so it is like in the background. I did have to change this a few times. I wanted the video to be either faster or slower, but I ended up getting it just right so it kind of just like fit in the video. It didn't look like it was moving too slow or too fast. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just putting it in here and it's about 4 seconds long. I tried to make this under 15 seconds just because when I make my intro I don't really want a super long one, so like in case if anybody used this they wouldn't have like a problem of it on their YouTube channel, just because sometimes when it's too long people they skip right over it, you know. So yeah, you guys, I'm just adding in her name in here. I did use a glow text. I think this is one of my favorite texts they have on here just because it really stands out. I just made sure it was in the middle, and then I did end up using the, I want to say Sparkle? Yep, Sparkle. The Sparkle font here. I did make her name again in it. I don't know, I just feel like it looks cute when it's kind of like overlaid on it. It looks, I don't know, really professional in a way. Yeah, you guys, I do end up changing these colors to like a Halloween color. This is the one thing that I do use that is not free like on Canva. This is like a pro feature, but I do show here in the next slide how to upload your photos in there just like this with like the background removed. So again, just ignore this part unless if you have pro, this is exactly how you do it. But yes, I do just remove the background, and I do use remove.bg if you are going to do it the free way, and it still makes your picture look just the same. And I will show you how to do that here in just one moment. Okay, so right here, I'm just taking the photo that I wanted to upload. I'm uploading it into the remove.bg, and it literally just removes the background. I'm downloading it, and then I'm just going to upload it into my, like the project that I'm currently working on. I'm going to upload it in there, and then you literally just edit it the exact same way I edit continuing on in this video. I just want to show you how you get the background removed if you wanted something like that. Okay, now that I have the image in here all set, I'm just going to edit the image and add a glow behind it. You can do any color you want if you wanted something like this on your intro. I just made it like, I don't remember which color I picked, but I just made it a certain color that stood out just so then like the picture stood out compared to the background, so it wasn't like too clouded, you know. So yes, that's what I'm just doing here. I do it to all of my images the exact same way. Again, you just hit edit image and then you hit the glow feature. I just added another image here. I did remove the background in Canva. Again, I did show how to do that on remove.bg if that's how you want to do it. And then I'm just going to add in another effect, just so like that glow effect, just so then again it stands out compared to the background. Okay, so I just wanted to add in some like fall leaves moving. I just typed it in the elements, and then I found one. Again, everything I use here is free besides like the background remover feature, but again, I do show how to do that if you did not have Pro. But yes, I just added these leaves in here, and then I just started animating. I was just messing with different effects, and then I was just playing it just to see if I liked it. Again, I ended up changing the background to something slower because I felt like it was just too fast moving with everything, so I do end up changing that later on. But yes, I do like it so far. I think it stands out very good. But yeah, you guys, that's how I just made it animate and move. Again, you just hit that top left corner there, and you can pick which one you like. But alright guys, so now I'm just adding in another thing on the main page here, just saying what she does or what she shows on her channel. She is an influencer, a model, and an entrepreneur. I've seen this on her current intro that she has right now, so I just went ahead and took that because just to be safe of what she already uses and so I just did that. And then I was just changing the fonts around, stretching it out just so it went across the whole thing but wasn't too much. But yeah, you guys, I just felt like that was a nice feature just to let you know what her channel shows. Guys, I'm still just messing around with the different animations. I end up finding one. I think I keep the chill theme. I don't know, I feel like it really fits it. And then right here at the bottom, you see how I click that plus button? That's how you add the next page, and that's how you get the video to flow to a different, I would say, because I'm going to start putting her social medias. That's how I made that. Again, you just hit that plus sign. You can add as many as you want. I think I do end up doing her Instagram one at first. But right here, I'm just getting the background set. I wanted this as the background just because I felt like it fit it. And then I do end up tinting it a little bit just so it has some color to it, just so it isn't just plain. It kind of goes with that orangey yellow theme for fall. So I do end up tinting that as well. I got was an orange image that I found on the element page here, and then I just make it more transparent so you can still see the photos through it, but again it still gives it that tint. And yes, you guys, so I'm just making all the social media pages. They're pretty self-explanatory. I just move stuff around. What I'm doing is I'm just adding in the logo for Instagram, adding in her name on her Instagram, and then a photo next to it, just so then it just looks cute. It goes all together. I do use the glow text a lot in all of these slides just because I feel like they pop more and I can make them really pretty color, and they'll still have that shadowy type effect. But yeah, you guys, I do end up locking the back screen. That's in the top right corner. I just click the background and that orange color over it, just so then every time I move stuff around it wouldn't move. You don't have to do that, but I just did that just to make sure I don't have to keep going over it with that orange cover or that orange transparent image. Therefore, it's just locked in the background. All I gotta do is edit on top. But you guys, so I'm just going to start adding in some images just like I did the front page. I do remove the background as well. Again, you can use remove.bg if you don't have pro. And then I do end up putting that glow effect on all the photos that I add in here. is I take that page, I duplicate it, and then I literally just have the exact same image for like all the next pages, just so I don't have to keep remaking that page, because all I'm going to do is just edit and add different social medias on there. So this one's going to be like the Twitter one, and then I'm going to duplicate this page and then make like her TikTok one and her Snapchat one, just so then it's just less editing. I literally just duplicated it as many times I want, just change the logo that we're showing and the like her @ name. Now that I've made all of her social media pages, again, I did pretty much the same steps for all of them, just added different photos and of course like the different name and the logo, but then other than that everything pretty much stayed the same. And then I am going to make like the end cap screen where it just says like subscribe. That one's pretty easy. I just again copied and pasted or duplicated that page, and then I just put the subscribe button in there. And since I was not doing anything pro, I just took like this subscribe button and then I just added in a mouse as well. Therefore it just gave you that illusion, just like the ones that are pro, that it does click the subscribe button. Just gives that other little effect. I was just trying to see like different things that make it cute and stuff. I do believe I do put like the web behind it just to give it that fall Halloween vibe. But yeah, so now you guys, now that I am done with these and after I added my mouse here, that's pretty much the whole intro. I just do add a little bit of things, change some transitions, or like change different animations just so it flows all in one. You'll see me doing this later on here once I get this end screen finished.